Off your knees. Up, 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 up. Peel his hands off. Peel his hands off. Stand up, stand up. Now, finish it, finish it. Drive it, drive it. Good job. Inside, inside tie, inside tie, inside tie. Elbow on the outside. Pop your head out, pop your head out. Pop your head out. Turn your wrist over, pull it out, pull your arm out. Now finish it, finish it. Set him back, hammer, now. Stretch him out, on the elbow. You're on the line right there, pull him back in, hit it again. Out on the elbow. Wes, wait for him to take a shot. Wait for him to take a shot, good.
It's a little early on his mouth, especially over here.
Now hammer it, hammer it. Right there, settle in, keep your head, get the elbow. Good job. Inside tie, finger up, thumb on the outside. Inside tie.
Start to stand up a little.
Get your butt down, change your level, check your level, check your level. Check your level, level. Drive it, climb a tree. Run your half right there, half that, pop your head and half it. Pop your head and half that, pop your head and half that, stay off your butt. Pop your head, 2, right there. Pop your head out, pop your head out, pop your head out. Now, mills it and half it, mills it, run it, mills it, mills it! You got a mills that. You got it. You got it. Wesley, it's our choice. What do you want? Bob. Wesley. Win the hand fight, keep your brain. Peel the head up, peel the hand off your head. Peel the hand, get him off his throat. Damn it. Gotta have a chin, let's go. Wesley, let's go. Wes, you're fine. Straight up, power through. I want it on the whistle. Wesley, I want one. Straight up on the whistle.
Dylan Burton to the fourth stage. Dylan Burton.
Power up, he's on the throat again. Keep it, drive it. Right there, half it. Pop your head out, pop your head out, pop your head out. Now, right there, squeezing. Half that. Half that. Jump sides and half it. Pop it in. Win the hand fight. You're too high, settle back right there. Win the hand fight. Keep your hips back, hook the leg. Now, drive it. Mills it and drive it. You got to do it all at once. You can't pull him on top of you. Drive it, walk ahead, let's go. Good job. Good match, man. Good match.